Blinding glare, sneaky blind spots. If you drive a Tacoma, regardless of what you drive, you know exactly what I'm talking about. One moment the lane's clear, the next a car's right beside you. Even with blind spot sensors, you can't really see your blind spot. Today I'm showing you the upgrade that fixes both problems permanently. These are Suma Performance side mirrors. Anti-glare, blind spot reducing, and designed as a perfect fit for your Toyota Tacoma or any other ride you may have. And you can choose between a sleek blue hue for that modern look or a subtle gray hue if you want something closer to OEM style, but still with a performance boost. Here's the bonus. I can get you 10% off these mirrors or anything at Suma Performance. Just use code Smoky Mountain Taco at checkout or click the link in the description. This discount works on the mirrors you see here and everything else Suma sells. Here's the reality. Stock mirrors on the 2016 to 2023 Tacoma and the 2024 and up Tacomas are flat, or any vehicle with stock mirrors, including my Trail Hunter. They don't fight glare well, and their blind spot coverage leaves a lot to be desired. Add bright sunlight or headlights at night, and you're basically squinting while trying to guess if the next lane is clear. Suma's mirrors fix both problems with premium optical glass and their proprietary Sojil process. The glass itself is clear and colorless. It only reflects the pleasant blue spectrum while absorbing the yellow spectrum that causes glare. That's why the blue hue never fades, unlike other cheaply made mirrors. Suma Performance mirrors utilize a proprietary manufacturing process called Sojil, or Sojil Nano, which differs from traditional mirror production methods. While other mirrors might coat the glass with a blue tint, Suma mirrors are clear and colorless but produce a blue reflection through this unique process, designed to reduce glare. This process involves multiple steps and days to achieve the desired result and is unique to Suma. The result? Reduced glare in bright sunlight and from headlights at night without losing clarity. It also gives you a wider field of view than what standard mirrors offers. Translation: more visibility, fewer surprises in your blind spot. They install just like OEM, no adhesive, no weird brackets. Pop out your old mirror, snap the snoop in place, and you're done in a few minutes. And if anything happens in the next 5 years, Suma's warranty has you covered. They'll send you a new set when you mail the old ones back. Now, I have confirmed with Suma that they don't have the ones for the 4th generation Toyota Tacoma ready yet, but they are working on them. And the TRD Pro and the Trail Hunter side mirrors will be coming out later. And as soon as those are ready, they're going to send them out to me and we're going to try them on the Trail Hunter. I am so looking forward to it. Now let's get to the install. For this install, you're going to need a J-hook trim removal tool, a plastic trim removal tool, and a pair of pliers. And I recommend a cold drink. So first thing you want to do is take off the shell of the mirror. It's going to sound like you're tearing it up, but don't worry about it. It'll be alright. I've done this before installing the sequential turn signals. Simply just start popping out. Just pull off like that. Work your way around and it'll pull off. There you go. Let's set that to the side. See that right in there? There are 4 clips in here. If you can get that one off, you can work your way around on the other side. Taking a J-hook or from a trim removal toolkit, stick that right in there. Just pry open those clips and push. It's kind of hard to see. There's one, and what you can do, see it's already popping out. I'll just go around with the rest of them. There's 2 down here. Just pull that one out. So you can see these clips right here is what was holding it in, and they go in right there. All right, now these are for the defrosters. You want to go ahead and just pull those out. And these will just simply go onto the new mirror. And the old mirror is off. Let's go ahead and mount these. Now, there's some other videos out there that are wrong. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be splicing into the pink wire right here that goes to the turn signal. It's these two right here. You can see they come down here and into that assembly right there, that clip that goes onto your turn signal. That's what you're going to be spossing into. Don't worry, this is easy and it's not going to tear anything up. This is going to be for the positive. This is going to be the negative. The black wire will go to the white wire. The black and white wire will go to the pink. So taking the other end, what you're going to do is take the mirror, find the black and white wire, and then plug and play. So it's going to be this one right here. Simply plug that in. And once that's in all the way, take the other one, do the same thing. And if you have blind spot sensors, I want to show you where to plug that in as well. This one does not have it. So if you have blind spot sensors, this right here is what you're going to plug into. All right, so let's go ahead and connect our defrosters back. Simply push on the tabs like the old one. And take these wires, let that hang just a little bit there, then run it through the back. Pull it all the way through, and then go ahead and you put these two wires above where you connect that white connector there. Go ahead and just make sure it's above. Give it some slack. Get that one down there, and they will snap back in place. You need to adjust this. You can move that around. It's not going to hurt anything. So you can see pretty well there. There we go. Now, take the other end here. Let's go ahead and separate these two wires going all the way back. Let's do the positive first. So taking the supply sponsor that they gave you, go ahead and open it up a little bit. Let's get this pink one first and just move it on into the back. And then check both ends, make sure it's coming out. You got two holes, one there. Make sure it's both on that same hole, otherwise you'll have problems. Taking the black and white wire, put it in the other hole, and now you're ready to get a pair of pliers and just push down. There we go. Then take this and just wrap it around and snap it. Now let's do our other one. So this one will go onto the white wire. So go ahead and just place that back through right there. Taking this one, make sure it's all the way back in there because I can see it's not wanting to behave. There we go. Our other one, taking pliers, then just push down and snap it. Now we can cut the ends off of this. There, and for good measure, just because I like it, I want to put on some electrical tape on the end of it, just to be on the safe side. That's just me, it's probably overkill, but I do not like exposed wires. Then before we put our cover back on, we'll test it. Make sure that it's good to go. Let's test it out, make sure it's okay. I can see a difference there. Look at that. Wow. Let's try our turn signal. Check that out. That's all right. These things are slick. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. That's nice. Suma Performance. These guys know their stuff. So now the last step, I just snap this back in place. You can see it's got one here, and then this will sit down on top of this. So just line this one up with this hole here. And it should just pop back on. There we go. Here's the difference. The stock mirror is washed out by glare, and the Suma stays crystal clear. And with a wider view, you can see vehicles sooner, whether it's a lane change on the freeway or threading through city traffic. These fit the 16 to 23 Tacomas, 3rd gen Tacomas, the 14 to 24 4Runner, the 5th gen, and the 18 plus RAV4, the 5th gen. Now, Suma tells me that they're working on the 4th gen right now, and as soon as they have one for the Trail Hunter, they're going to send me a set to try out, and I am anxious for it. I'm very well pleased with these on my 3rd gen. They look great, and they perform excellent. If you want to ditch glare, reduce blind spots, and make every drive safer, Suma Performance mirrors are a simple upgrade to works. Now, I've dropped the link down in the description. Smash that like button if you hate blind spots. And be sure to subscribe for my Trail Hunter test when it drops. And I'll see you on the next one. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe, share, like, and hit that notification bell. And we will see you next time.